first warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin.
We have been watching quite an active outbreak of severe weather to the north and northwest of us. Early indications are that we don't see any storms here in central Texas until at least a few hours after midnight, if any can survive the trip. It won't be these that come our way, but potentially some additional development southwest of San Angelo. You can see what some of our computer models do, generally just keeping us increasingly cloudy through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. I'm still going to go with at least a low 10% chance of a shower or storm tomorrow morning, just in case we can get some of the leftovers of the storms to the west of us to arrive during the early morning hours. Generally speaking, though, most of us will start your Monday like we've started a lot of mornings lately, and that's with a lot of morning low clouds. Those clouds lift away, a couple of spots of sprinkles or a stray shower through the middle of the day with increasing sun in the afternoon. The tricky part about tomorrow's forecast is it's dependent on us breaking the cap in the atmosphere. Our computer model is suggesting there is going to be the possibility for a stray storm or shower to form in the afternoon and early evening. Should a storm form, it could be strong or severe, but we think the coverage is going to be fairly limited. We've only got 20% storm chances going here tomorrow and a low 10% rain chance early Tuesday before the skies clear, and then we've got plenty of sunshine for the day. So what is this cap in the atmosphere that may or may not allow for storms to form tomorrow? Well, when you've got a layer of warm air higher up in the sky, warm air basically prevents lift, because what you want is cooler air above warm air, and then that promotes the lifting of the warm air below. But if that warmer air that's rising into cool air then comes across warm air again, it stops rising. So what you want is some thinning of the cap in the atmosphere if you want storms to form. Of course, this could enable some severe storms to form. The questions, of course, are, will the cap in the atmosphere break and allowing for those storms to punch through and lift and develop? And it's a big question mark here for tomorrow, but if the storms can develop, then we could get some severe weather. A 1 to 2 out of 5 severe weather risk in effect here for tomorrow afternoon and evening, especially northwest of Austin. So should storms form, large to very large hail is a possibility, damaging wind, even a very isolated tornado would be a threat if those storms can form. It's going to be another warm night. 83 right now. We'll be dropping into the mid-70s tomorrow morning and then heading for the upper 90s here tomorrow afternoon. Not expecting any triple digits, but it'll sure be another hot day. So 97, partly sunny, storms possible, just a 20% chance at this point, but certainly keep checking back with us. Temperatures eventually start to dip later in the week thanks to a cold front that arrives on Tuesday. We're going to notice a big drop in the humidity too, but it does start to come back as we head into the end of the week. And with that will come a drop in rain chances for just Wednesday, because Thursday rain chances are back. Friday looks dry, but more, at least low rain chances for next weekend with no signs of this warmth going away anytime soon.